In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a circle in Photopea. First of all, head over to your Photopea project and make sure your document is open. On the left-hand side of your screen, you will see the Shape tool icon. Depending on what was used last, it may appear as a rectangle, line, ellipse, or another shape. Simply right-click on that shape icon, and you will see a list of available shapes including rectangle, ellipse, line, parametric shape, and custom shape. To create a circle, select the Ellipse tool from this list. Once the Ellipse tool is selected, click anywhere on your canvas and drag outward to create the shape. If you freely drag your mouse, you may create an oval instead of a perfect circle. To ensure that your shape is perfectly circular, click and drag while holding the Shift key on your keyboard. Holding Shift constrains the proportions and guarantees a perfect circle. After releasing your mouse, your circle will appear on the canvas as a new shape layer. To change the color of the circle, go to the top toolbar where you will see the Fill option with a color box next to it. Click on that color box to open the color picker. From there, you can select any color you like or use the custom color picker to choose a specific shade. The circle will instantly update to the selected color. If you want the circle to be empty from the inside and only show an outline, click on the Fill option again and choose the None icon, which is represented by a white box with a red diagonal line. Then, move to the Stroke option beside it and select a color for the outline. Next to Stroke, you will see a pixel value that controls the outline thickness. Adjust this value using the drop-down arrow and slider to increase or decrease the stroke according to your design. After making these adjustments, your circle will appear exactly the way you want, and this is how you can make a circle in Photopea.